Hi there. I'm here to help you with your spouse's AGI rejection. No worries, you're not in trouble and you're not alone. In fact, it's an easy fix. What happened is that when you filed your taxes this year, your spouse's 2024 adjusted gross income, or AGI, didn't match what the IRS has on file for them. The IRS uses both of your previous year's AGIs to make sure you're the ones filing the return. So please check your spouse's 2024 Form 1040, line 11, to make sure you have the correct AGI. It's important to use the full number that's listed. Don't split or round anything, even if you file jointly. Then, sign back into TurboTax, follow the instructions on the screen, and enter their AGI exactly as it appears on their 2024 return. If you need help finding their prior year AGI, there's a link in the FAQs below to request their IRS transcript, as well as a guide with several common issues.